Hey guys, and welcome to the channel. So today I got in two pieces. If I eventually reach my goal of getting this sucker stuck, I got two things that'll help me get out. The first thing, it's from RC 4-wheel drive. It's just a hitch hook. Just goes into the back hitch and gives me a anchor point for a tow strap. 2-second install. And the other thing I got in is the 1/10 winch. This is the RC 4-wheel drive 1/10 Warn 8274 winch, part number E0075. And boom, just like that, there it is. I've always used these 9.5 CTIs, they've always worked great. But if I really get this thing stuck like I want to, I got something a lot more heavier duty. It looks like the plate on the bottom is the exact same, so it should be a real easy install. And the controller should work for this. So really it's just unplugging the old and putting in the new. Alright, so the body's off. Here's my connection. I actually put some shrink tube around it just to waterproof it, so I'll cut that away. And then I will unscrew the winch from the bumper. Just 4 screws holding it in from the underside. Real easy to do. And I should be in good shape. Alright, just to give everything a quick test, I just hooked it up real fast to make sure everything is working, which it is. So now I'm going to go ahead and remove the old winch and put on the new. One thing I will need to do too is take off this front hulse, I think they call it, fair lead, because this won't fit in the bumper, so I'll take this off as well. Alright, so I got the old winch out. I stabbed myself with the X-Acto knife, so I got a nice little cut on my thumb now. Super. I am bleeding for you, the viewer, but I'll go ahead and put in the new winch and super glue my thumb back together. Alright guys, so we're in action. I got a 2S battery hooked up and time to test it out. I was able to get 3 screws in pretty easy, so that's going to hold it. I'm not going to worry about getting the 4th one in. Too much of a pain in the butt, but I got 2 on the one side, and I have 1 on the other in the back that's going up to the bottom of the bumper. So this is good enough for now. Alright, well, here goes nothing. Not bad. Not bad at all. Didn't struggle or anything. Just went right up. Pretty cool. Alright, and the other thing I'm going to get done is I'm going to put on this recovery hook. So it's real easy. Just going to go ahead and take out the ball hitch. Or maybe I won't. We got an awake baby. Alright, baby's back asleep. And this is real simple. It's 1 screw at the bottom. It just, you unscrew the piece. The hitch comes out, put the new one in, and you just go ahead and you screw it all back together. Real simple. Actually, I lied. You will need to change the screws out. This one here kind of has the smooth bottom with the threads up top. This won't fit into the hook because the hook is actually threaded. So you will need a small screw like this. Hopefully that shows up on camera. And now I can actually go ahead and screw it down. Alright, so now I'm definitely ready to get stuck in the mud. I gotta just build a mud pit that's good enough to get me stuck in the mud, so that's a project to come up shortly. But if you like what you saw, please click the like button. Don't forget to subscribe. Have a great day, and I will see you soon. Okay, so I thought it was done, but I wasn't. I had to flip this box around because the body wouldn't go on. This wire up front was too tight. Okay, so now I'm done. Subscribe, do all that good stuff. Catch you guys later.